Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to edit or remove profile picture in TikTok. TikTok is a very loved platform where you can access several number of videos or you can even create your videos and earn from it. So if you want to edit or remove profile picture in TikTok, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, open your TikTok application. Now, in order to edit or remove your profile picture, first of all, you'll have to go to your profile. To do that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see your profile will be opened. At the top, you can see your profile picture. All you have to do is long press on it. Now here you can see option for change photo. All you have to do is tap on that option. Now your medias will be opened. You can either take the photo or you can select the photo from your existing media. Just select the photo that you want to upload. Now tap on confirm. You can even crop the photos. Now you'll have to tap on save. Go back, refresh. Now you can see here your profile picture is changed. So that's how you edit the profile picture. Now in order to remove the profile picture, again long press on your profile picture, tap on change photo. You can see here there is only option for taking the photo or selecting the photo from the media. So there is no option for removing the photo, but if you want to remove the profile picture, you have to follow these steps. Go back, go to Google Chrome or any other browser, tap on the search bar and search for profile icon images. Tap on enter. Now go to images, scroll down and find the profile icon. Now you have to take the screenshot. Depending on your phone model, you can take a screenshot by various process. Most of the phones you can take a screenshot by simply pressing on volume down button and power off button. Now go to TikTok, go to your profile, long press on your profile picture, tap on change photo. Now tap on the profile icon image that we just took a screenshot of. Tap on confirm, crop the image to fit the frame. Now tap on save. And you can see here your profile picture has been removed. So that is how you edit or remove profile picture in TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.